Hello everyone, I am Prime46 and today we're going to be taking a look at Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Leader Class Optimus Prime knockoff. So this is a pretty good knockoff and he has some kind of loose hands over here which isn't good, but it's okay, he still looks nice. And because this is a knockoff, he's gotta have that arm problem. Some knockoffs don't have it, but he does. Anyway, so this Optimus Prime knockoff doesn't transform because I customized him so he can be more movie accurate. But first, let's talk about the problems he had when I unboxed him. So first problem, those arm blades were on the inside, and it made it difficult to pull out the sword. So I just reversed the arms and I swapped them, and that's basically what I did to make the arms better. And now it's easier to take his sword out, and he can be ready to fight the Decepticons with it. The other problem I had with him were those chest pieces that wouldn't stop flapping around because they won't sit in. They have nothing to tap into, so they just stay loose. So that's problem number 2. And problem number 3, the transformation is really hard, and I'm not doing that. So those are the problems with this knockoff. Let's take a look at his articulation. So first, at the shoulder, 360 degrees. It can move out and in. A ball joint at the forearm. It can also twist because it's a ball joint. The head can look left and right, 360 as well. The other hand is the same. And then the legs, he can do a pretty good kick. He can bend his knee. The thigh doesn't twist. And then we got this leg articulation, which just moves down and up, but there's no way to use it for anything, so it's useless. And this is basically for his articulation. And now let's take a look at the detail. So first, the head sculpt. It's a pretty good head sculpt. It's basically the same as the original, but they gave him different eyes, which are those ball-socketed eyes, which are weird. The next detail I'm going to show you are the flames. He's got flames on his chest, he's got flames on his arms, and he's got flames on his legs, which make him look really cool. And they also put those exhaust pipes on his back, and that back piece is custom made by myself, so he's even more movie accurate. And now I'm going to show you the accessories, which is only one. This is his Buster Cannon. I wanted him to be kind of like Transformers Buster Optimus Prime from Revenge of the Fallen, the Japanese edition. And here he is. And he can't point it anywhere because his hand is too weak to do it. Which this is a problem with this Optimus Prime. But he can still point it, which makes him look really cool. This gun looks really movie accurate, and I like the fact that it does. And next accessory are those swords, but this is more like a gimmick accessory, so it doesn't really count. And this is his energy sword, and he can slice the Decepticons up with this. Let's take out that gun so we can get a look at the other sword. And there we go. He has both of his swords ready. Now he's ready to take on all of them. I'm gonna take on all of you, Decepticon punks. Yeah, just like the movie. and he's ready to say, "I can take you all on," which is really cool. Yeah. And that's basically it for this Optimus Prime, which means it's size comparison time for him. Let's give him back the gun. So for the first size comparison, here he is next to Transformers knockoff Optimus Prime number 2. This is a Tobot version of Optimus Prime, which looks pretty nice as well. He has flames on his arms as well, and you can see he's taller than him. The knockoff name of this Transformer is Power Giant, which is a strange name for him, but I guess Optimus is powerful and gigantic compared to the other Autobots, so it makes sense. Next size comparison is this custom Bumblebee, which I made myself. It's a Transformers The Last Night custom Bumblebee. Yeah. For the next size comparison, here comes a different Optimus Prime. So here is this knockoff Optimus Prime. He's a walking robot, and he looks pretty cool, actually. He's got his shield and his sword straight from the movie, and he's taller than Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Optimus Prime knockoff. And this is that Optimus Prime. And that's it for this Optimus Prime knockoff. So, in the comments, tell me what you like about him, and would I recommend you buy this Optimus Prime? Well, if you're a customizer collector, yes, I would recommend him because he has a lot of potential. Even though he has problems, he still has a lot of potential. But if you are a Transformers collector looking for a nice Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Optimus Prime, I would say you're better off getting the original. But this guy's still pretty good. And that's it for this Optimus Prime. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And as Optimus says, till all are one.